Good morning, everyone. If you use Xsplit Broadcaster and you hook up something new like a webcam or a media device or anything, and you get this is the video you want to watch. And we'll start right after this. Okay, if we haven't met before, my name is John Bell. I'm a retired school teacher, and now I'm making videos for YouTube. My problem is I do a webcast every morning at 8 a.m. Eastern that is broadcast live streamed both to Facebook and YouTube. I recently changed my browser from Mozilla Firefox over to Google Chrome for a lot of reasons. As a YouTuber, they have more add-ons and things that I just couldn't get in Mozilla, and so I had to give up the ghost and change over. Long story short, I did my webcast. I started it. When I got to this screen, there's supposed to be a newspaper down there. Okay? What's going on here? So, Xsplit has changed over the years, and there's been many explanations of why you get these black screens. However, I'm a paid subscriber to Xsplit. I also have a link in the description below to Xsplit. As an affiliate member, if you sign up with Xsplit, anything but the free edition, I get a few shekels to keep the videos going. So I'm going to show you how you don't get this problem anymore. Now, this could be hooking up a webcam. This could be hooking up a media file. This could be, well, let me look at the sources. Screen capture, game capture, any kind of device. Text, you don't have to worry about because it overlays the black screen. This could be a web page I'm trying to call up, or a media file, something, or a picture I took of something, or a PowerPoint, an Excel, Word document, whatever. And you can get this black screen. So now I'm going to tell you how you can avoid getting the black screen. Okay, so this, as you can see, let me close this. This is the paper that I use every morning. And of course, I can change the pages and whatever. But the easiest way to read this is find an article I want, click on it, and you see you get this square window that pops up. This is the window that I want to put right here. Used to work with Firefox all the time. Now with Google, it doesn't work. So my thinking originally was, okay, the problem is not with Xsplit. The problem has to be with Google. There has to be some check mark somewhere that I have to make. So I went on YouTube and I started researching it, and I got all kinds of different answers for this. Of course, Xsplit has changed over the years, and obviously the answers to these black screens have been changed over the years. However, this is the latest and greatest of Xsplit. So let's see. Xsplit's answer, okay, was, okay, you could go here. You could, this says why is a video file associated as source not added? Okay, it doesn't have to be a video file. It could be just a picture. It could be a webcam. Could be screen capture. Could be anything. Okay, but they say, okay, well, maybe you want to change this here to don't use hardware acceleration for video playback. Okay, tried that, didn't work. Then they say, okay, well, maybe you should change this down here. Don't use your GPU, your graphics processing unit, okay, for the video processing. Use your CPU, which to me would be a deal breaker. But that's beside the point. If you want to know the difference between processing between a CPU and a GPU, Google it. CPU V period CPU, or GPU versus GPU. Boom. It'll give you thousands of articles, YouTube videos, whatever. So that was not the answer. Now, some people said, well, you go to, excuse me here where I change this. Some people said, well, you go to Google and you change settings in Google. Aha, that made sense to me because, you know, I think the problem is in Google. So I have to move my picture out of the way. So they said, you go up here to the three dots, the more, you click it, you go down here to settings. Okay. Now I'll put my picture back where it belongs. Thank you. And it says, I don't know if I could blow this up a little so you guys could see this. Yeah, there you go. Okay, you scroll all the way down to the bottom to advanced. Click advanced. Scroll all the way down to the bottom. Okay, and this here, use hardware acceleration when available. It's a click it off. Okay, so I clicked it off. Hardware acceleration not used in XSplit. It said it caused black screens. So this made sense. So I clicked it off. Nothing happened. Okay. Some other people said, well, you take when you fire up your screen recorder here, and you go into Xsplit Broadcaster. No, I don't want to do that. You right click on Xsplit Broadcaster, click Properties. Now I'll move this out of the way, close this for you. And you see here, this is the target for it right here. C: program files 86 split media yada 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 yada. Okay, they said at the end of this right here, you put a space, then ENABLE, enable, RE2, no spaces, so enable RE2, one word, apply it, click. Then when you use this shortcut to fire up XSplit, it fires up XSplit and also enables this RE2, whatever that is. Okay, that didn't work. Might have worked on older versions of XSplit, but it didn't work on this one. So now I'm going to tell you how I solved the problem. Okay, let me close this. This is going to get, wow, let's see how I can do this. I need this. Okay, I use two monitors. Okay, monitor over here is what I have to put things on for you to see them. The monitor over here has XSplit running on it. Okay, well, if I want to show you what's happening on XSplit, I have to move it to that monitor. So bear with me. This will be a little disconcerting to you if you've never used XSplit. Okay. Now, if any of you haven't used XSplit before, or even if you have, this is going to look a little strange to you. You remember I told you on monitor 2, I run XSplit. So now I'm having a screen capture of XSplit. But I had to add the exact same things that I had on that other one. In other words, I added my picture here. Okay, and below here is where that newspaper article is supposed to appear. This is the only way I could show you how to do it. So here's what you do. You go down here and you highlight this window area. See, it says window area, Sun Sentinel Browser, Google Chrome, in Chrome EXE process, and then how big this area is. Okay, I highlight this. I go to settings. Okay, let me move this up out of the way a little. Hopefully you can see that. All I do in settings is, you see right here, it says exclusive window capture. I click it. Okay, guess what? There's my newspaper article right there now. Okay, so all you have to do, highlight down here, go to settings, make sure that this exclusive window capture is unchecked. Just that simple. Now we'll go back to the rest of the video. See this, but I'm firing up the newspaper, and looky there. Crews may face death penalty, okay, which is a local article that I had. So now there's my newspaper article right there below my picture as I'm reading along. They can read along if they want, unless they're driving, then keep your eyes on the road. So that's how you do it. Now this could be in anything. This could be Xsplit Broadcaster, which I'm using. Could be Xsplit Gamecaster. This could be a webcam you hook up, all of a sudden you got a black screen. This could be a screen capture, you got a black screen. This could be any kind of media file, you know, any kind of Word doc, a picture, anything you're trying to put onto Xsplit. Okay, this is the way to do it with the current version of Xsplit right now. Okay, some of these things might have worked for past versions of Xsplit, but they don't work now. This one works now. You saw it with your own eyes. So this is John Bell. Until next time, signing off. If you're watching this on Facebook, please like it. If you're watching this on YouTube, please subscribe. I appreciate it. Until next time, this is John Bell signing out, wishing you good luck, a long life, and may God bless.